22 countries, including those lacking US dollar reserves, are exploring bilateral trade with India in rupee, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitaram said on Friday. About 22 countries are negotiating and approaching us to see if bilateral trade can be held in rupee. Also, many of those countries are running short of dollar reserves. Sitaraman told news channel END-TV their basic trade cannot stop. They see the Indian rupee as a stable currency for liberal trade with India. Full stop paragraph. Sitaraman said Prime Minister Narendra Modi has reached out to the leadership of these countries and has assured support for these development goals to promote the growth of global trade with emphasis on export from India and to support the increasing interest of the global trading community in the rupee. The RBI put in place an arrangement for invoicing, payments and settlement of exports and imports for international trade in the rupee on July 11, 2022. Full stop paragraph. The framework credited by the RBI is applicable to any partner country seeking to undertake trade with the India in the rupee. As of date, the RBI has permitted 20 authorized dealer banks in India to open special rupee. Recently, a senior finance ministry official told FE that the government is working out a framework for countries or sovereign backed firms to borrow from the Indian market to pay for their imports in rupee, a move that would help countries that have a trade deficit with India. Besides furthering the goal of rupee internationalization, paragraph, both export and import in the Indian rupee could reduce pressure in the force reserves of both partners countries and have mutual benefits. It will also help India push exports to countries that are short of foreign exchange, as those countries will not have many options, analysts have said. Full stop paragraph. Last year, the Reserve Bank of India allotted countries with excise bank balance in their rupee accounts trade surplus countries with India, such as Russia, to invest government in securities and treasuries bills. Russia has cancelled a portion of its surplus thanks to a sharp increase in Russian oil imports by India in its rupee account into the G6 T-bills, providing an additional stream of funds to the domestic gilt market. Full stop. Paragraph. Power Minister R.K. Singh on Friday said the country will add 25,000 and 30,000 megawatt thermal power generation capacity over and above the 50,000 megawatt capacity already under construction to meet the growing demand. We need energy capacity as soon as possible as our country is growing. I had about 24,000 megawatt thermal capacity under construction. I have added another 25,000 megawatt and brought it under construction. I am going to add another about 25% and 35% megawatt to meet our capacity need, Singh said at a clean energy summit organized by the CII and the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. Full stop paragraph. I will make available the electricity required for growth. I am not going to default in that. Right now, I don't have round the clock renewable, so I am forced to start these thermal power plants, the ministry said. Full stop paragraph. It may be noted that the coal based power generation capacity stood at 222 GW in March 2023, and as per the National Electricity Plan, the country is scheduled to add another 48 GW to near 260 GW by 2032. Thought the ministry did not clarify whether it meant revision for NEP. The plan for new capacity may further increase the need of imported coal.